Hiya, how you doing? Have you done something fun yet? Oh, let's do something fun together. Oh, this is so heavy. See what I got. Oh my god. Well, you might or might not know this. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm gonna have to move that totally back, aren't I? I'm so happy. Okay, let me just get some room. I'm gonna come back in a second. I might start this again, but probably not. Here we go. Might be able to see that a bit better. Okay, so this is from one of my very favourite YouTube stars, I would class her, especially in the crafting world. Started off with clay and doing models, but now she mainly reviews craft kits, which is amazing. And if you don't know who I'm talking about NerdEcrafter Jackie. And this is her very first craft box. I'm so excited. I'm gonna totally fangirl out because I've been watching her for years and I love her. I think she's amazing. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Oh, wow. Oh, cool. I love all the... Yeah. And here's the booklet. We'll take a proper look at that in a minute. Let's have a look at everything that's here. Nice little card. Oh. We've got some stickers. I love these. This is my happy face. I'm insulted. I love these. I'll probably put these in resin. Turn them into, I don't know what, but something. Holy carp! Oh dear, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Oh, and I'm so happy. It is expensive as this kit, but it's so worth it, and I'm so happy Jackie put it on the 4-pay because otherwise I wouldn't be able to afford it. Look! Salt brush set! Salty brush set! Oh wow, they look really good paintbrushes too. Wicked. Oh, and they've even... She's even, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but she's even got it on her, oh, it's upside down. Yeah, NerdEcrafter on each paintbrush. Wow. And we've got a basic paint palette. The one thing that Jackie hates is when a box says it's got everything you need and then it hasn't. So she's done her absolute best to make sure we have everything we could possibly need. Not just everything we need, but everything we could possibly need. So, yeah, we've got armature wires. We've got a collapsible bowl. Decent sized bowl there, Jackie. Oh, wow, even the bowl, see? We've got elastics. I do know what I'm not very good with stopping myself on spoilers, so I do know what this kit consists of because, oh my god, I've been waiting for her to bring out a kit, and I was so excited when she did, and she said that she actually was. And I remember 2 years ago when she said she was thinking about it. We've got a funnel, and that one's collapsible too. So thinking about storage. It'll sort itself out. So I do know what's in here. There's probably going to be no surprises for me, which I hate surprises. I know a lot of people do. People don't like spoilers, etc. I hate it. So, ooh, an Excel sector eggs knife. Yeah, sharp, pointy thing. And this is a sanding tool. Let me bring that light a bit closer because everything's suddenly in the dark. Here we go. Yeah, that's a wicked sanding tool, I must admit. It's going to make life a little bit easier. And we've got some silicone tools, shaping tools. They look wicked. Oh my gosh, I'm so going to run out of room. We've got a resin mould. And I know there's definitely one in here from Sophie and Toffee. I think this might be as well, I'm not sure. You've even got your measuring jug. And you've got resin in it. I love this. Yes, as you can imagine, I will be using this one from it in future. Because my other one's not working so well anyway. It was a cheapie that I bought, but yay! Here we go. This is the exclusive mould that Jackie designed. Sorry about the crinkling. Oh, clinging to the plastic. Sorry about that. Yeah, Jackie designed this. This is her sculpture that Sophie and Toffee made a mould out of. And that looks awesome, to be quite honest with you. Yeah, can't wait to use that. And this is what we're going to be using, Permastone. Apparently it's really user-friendly, really beginner user-friendly, so yeah, that's what we're going to be using. Start putting things over this side now. And we've got it's an epoxy sculpt. So yeah, it's the two-part epoxy and hardens in the air once you've mixed the two together. So that should be good, and then it stays slightly flexible. So we've got resin, we've got UV resin from Sophie and Toffee. We've got alcohol ink, and this is the, oh, I'll get that one out in a minute, but this is the red paint from the selections of paint that she's given us. It wouldn't fit in the packaging. And we've got Sculpey clay, Super Sculpey medium. So it should be, it's a long time since I've used Sculpey. I know it used to kill my hands, that's why I gave it up. But we're going to give it a go. We're going to give it a go. And this is Oven Baked Clay Adhesive. That's really good. And a big bottle of it as well. Don't do anything by halves, do you, Jackie? Even got the mixing spatula. And I love that it's an orange. Oh dear, this has so cheered me up this week. Right, another pokey tool! And it's got all sorts of, oh, what's the word? Oh, it wouldn't be one of my videos without me being able forgetting what the word is. Texturizing. Yeah, for texturizing. There's just so much in here. And now we've got all the acrylic paint by Lumiere, and it's awesome. It's just apparently one of the best paints out there, so yeah, good quality, and of course totally blooming. Oh, all the packaging's gonna have to be kept, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna be able to get rid of anything. I'm such a hoarder. And even a cutting board with NerdEcrafter. Oh, she's amazing. Again on the other side. Oh, I just want to say thank you so much, Jackie, for creating this and spending all your hard energy and hard time on putting this together. I know it took you 2+ years, and oh my goodness, it's so worth it. I'm gonna have so much fun playing with all of this. I've never ever done a sculpture in my life, so yeah. Anyway, if you liked the video, subscribe. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.